Good morning, students. I hope everybody is well today. I hope you are all very safe, and I hope you are all doing well with your e-learning. Good, great to hear it. So first of all, did everybody complete their e-learning homework last week? Yes, oh wow, good job, good job. Okay, so what we are going to do today, we are going to study some beginning sounds, but first, today's date, Monday, 22nd of June, 2020. Everybody say this with me at home. Monday, 22nd of June, 2020. Good, and as I already said, today we are studying beginning sounds. Dr, pr, and tr. Wow, is everybody ready? Okay then, let's start today's video lesson. So the first sound that we are going to practice today is the d, r. Everyone say d, r, dr. Good. Now the second one is the p, r sounds. P, r. Good. Pr. Very good, students. And the third one that we will practice today are the t, r. T, r. Tr, tr. Very good. So let's practice sound number one together. Dr. Pr is sound number two. Let's practice sound number two. Pr. Tr is sound number three. Now let's practice sound number three. Tr. Okay, one more time each at home. Dr, pr, tr. Very good, students. So let's move on and learn some new words that we can use today. Are you ready? Today's words are drum. Everyone say drum. Good. Dragon. Everyone say dragon. Good. Dress. Everyone say dress. Good. And last one for the dr sounds is drive. Everyone say drive. Very good. Let's move on to the pr sounds. Prize. Everyone say prize. Good. Press. Everyone say press. Good job. Price. Everyone say price. Good. Last one for the pr sounds. Print. Everyone say print. Very good, students. Well done today. Let's move on to the tr words. Okay, word number one, truck. Everyone say truck. Word number two, trace. Everyone say trace. Word number three, track. Everyone say track. And word number four, oh, it's a trumpet. Everyone say trumpet. Good, you all got it? So let's talk about each of these words individually. First we have dr, dr sound, sound. You say it for me at home. Dr. Drum. Okay, a drum is a musical instrument. Yes, we hit it with a stick. It's part of a percussion group of instruments. Very good. Let's move on to dr. Agon. Everyone say dr for me. Now say agon. Dragon. Okay, a dragon is a magical creature, like you all know. I think this dragon, he's from Wales because he has wings, not like the dragons in Cambodia. Okay, say it for me one more time. Dr. Agon. Dragon. Good job. Dress. Dr sound. S sound. Sounds just like the letter S. S. Dr. S. Dress. Everybody got it? Say it one time for me at home. Dress. Good work, everybody. Okay, everyone knows a dress, right? It's what the ladies dress in. Dr sound and I've sound. Everyone say I've. Everyone say dr. Drive. Yes, that's correct. When you drive a truck or a car, we drive someplace. Very good. Now let's move on to the pr words. Okay, here we have pr. Eyes. Everyone say pr. Everyone say eyes. Let's join them together and blend them. Prize. Very good. Okay, a prize is a special reward you get for being number one in the competition. Here, see, we win the prize when we win the competition. Today they won the number one prize. Everyone say it for me one more time at home. Eyes. Prize. Very good. Next we have pr sound again and S, just like the letter S, E-double-S, S. Press. Everyone say press for me. When we push a button, we say we press the button. Everyone got it? Good work, everybody. Wow. Next we have pr sound again. This one is 89 cents each for the peppers. Pr, ice. So everyone say the pr sound. Now say ice. Let's blend them together. Price. One more time. Price. Pr. Ice. Price. Very good. Next for the pr sounds we have print. Pr sound. Int sound. Everyone say pr. Now everyone say int. Print. One more time. Print. Very good. Okay, when we need to print something to color or some schoolwork, we use the printer. And the print is the thing that comes out of the printer. So yes, the paper has print on it now. Here we have a print of a giraffe. Can everybody see? Okay, then everyone say one last time. Print. Pr. Int. Print. Very good. Let's move on to the tr sounds. Today we have a truck. Yes, it's like a car, but we can use it to transport things. We can fill the back with many objects inside. Yeah, that's correct. Tr sound. Uk sound. Truck. Very good. Say it for me one more time at home. Truck. Truck. Uk. Truck. Good job. Next for the tr sounds, we have trace. So tr sound. Ace sound. Everyone say tr. Now everyone say ace. Trace. Say it after teacher. Trace. Very good, students. Okay, so we all know what tracing is, right? Just like when teacher gave you homework before. Yeah, that's correct. Next for the tr words we have track. Tr. Ack. Everyone say the tr sound. Now everyone say ack. Track. Say track. Very good. Okay, so a track is for sports. We can use it for running. We can run around it. Yes, we could even walk around it, or we can ride the bike around it. We can ride our bicycle around the track. Very good, students. Well done. Next for the tr sounds, we have a trumpet. Everyone say tr. Now everyone say umpet. Tr. Umpet. Let's join them together. Let's blend them. Trumpet. Everyone at home say trumpet for me. Very good, students. Well done. So a trumpet is a kind of musical instrument. It's made from a metal called brass, and to play it, we blow. That's correct, and the tune comes here. Very good. So one more time. Everyone at home say trumpet for me. Trumpet. Very good. Shall we review the words that we have learned today? Okay then. So firstly we learned drum. Let's spell drum together. D-R-U-M. Drum. Next we learned dragon. Let's spell dragon together. D-R-A-G-O-N. Dragon. Good job. Now we have dress. Let's spell dress together. D-R-E-S-S. Good. Lastly, for the dr sounds, we have drive. Now let's spell drive together. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. Let's put these words into a sentence each. Good. Sentence number 1. Read it after teacher. Can you play the drum? Can you play the drum? Sentence number 2. Look in the sky. It's a dragon. Look in the sky. It's a dragon. Good. Number 3. Do you like that dress? Do you like that dress? Number 4. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. Very good. Now, let's review our pr sounds that we have learned today. Number 1, prize. Let's spell them together. P-R-I-Z-E. Prize. Press. P-R-E-S-S. That's right, you spell them with teacher. Number 3, price. P-R-I-C-E. Price. Number 4, the last one for the pr sounds, print. P-R-I-N-T. Print. Now let's put these words into sentences. Let's read the sentence together. He won the prize. Now you read it for me. Give it a press. Very good. What is the price? Remember to print it. Good job. Now students, let's review our last set of words for today, the tr sounding words. Let's spell them together. First we have truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Good. Next we have trace. T-R-A-C-E. Trace. You spell them with me. Number 3 is track. Let's spell it together. T-R-A-C-K. Track. And number 4 is trumpet. Wow, that's a big word. Let's spell trumpet together. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Well done, everybody. Good job today. Let's put these words into sentences. Okay, you read along with teacher. It's a big truck. Do you like to trace? I can run on the track. And our last sentence of today, do you play the trumpet? Oh, good job everyone. Well done today. So thank you students for watching today's video lesson. I hope you all stay very safe at home. We wish you the best of luck from Eastern International School Cambodia, and we hope to see you back here very soon. But until then, take care, and we'll see you in the next video lesson. Goodbye everybody, stay safe.